Well, hey folks, this is John with Ozarks Back Roads with you today. We finally got out of the deep freeze here in the Ozarks. We've got a halfway decent day going on. Thought I'd jump on the Tiger, check out some of the new mods I did to it over the winter and some of the work I've done. I've got some new roads I haven't been on, new to me. We're going to ride today. I invite you all to stick around. We're going to take a ride on the Tiger down along the creek here. Beautiful day in early March here in the Ozarks. Let's go for a ride. I hope everybody made it through the winter, or is making it through the winter. If spring hasn't made it to your part of the world yet, it shouldn't be too much longer, I would hope. But looks like it's shaping up pretty good here in the Ozarks. So we made some changes on the Tiger this season. The biggest thing was the gear change over the winter. I went from a 17 tooth front sprocket back down to a 16. So we're back to a pretty low first gear now. A lot better for crawling around with than what I had on it before. I had a really good highway gear, but it wasn't good on the trails and stuff. It was just too high geared. So that should be much improved. We did a breather modification, put a pre-filter on our air box, and we're kind of running along an old bluff here, it looks like, along the creek. But the pre-filter, I can't tell any difference as far as the performance of the engine or anything. It feels exactly the same to me. So this is Fox Creek here, part of it. Running down through here, got quite a bit of water running right now, or a little bit of water. That's kind of neat. Old bluff, kind of breaking away and coming apart there. I may have went the wrong way right there. I went the wrong way back there. I should have went right. This road does not come out according to the map. Now that doesn't mean that it doesn't come out somewhere, but it's a long ways back up in there just to turn around. This looks right. Looks better on the map anyhow. Try to get across this without falling down. It's a little early for the moss to be, or the slime to be growing on those wet weather. Those little bridges where the water runs over them, they get that brown slime on them in the warmer months. And man, front tire, when you hit that, it'll just go out from under you immediately. You have no choice. You don't know nothing about it till you're on the ground or in the water. I've done that a few times. I believe I can see plumb to last week right here. Long ways. Hope none of this is slick. Stay in the gravelly part of it. It can't be slick, right? Boy, there's a big old sinkhole right there. I'm gonna take a look at this. See if it's fell through in the bottom or not. Looks like a cave, top of a cave fell in. Boy, it's a deep one too. Woo! Man, look at that. Yeah, wouldn't have want to been in that when it happened. Kind of looks like an impact crater, like a meteor just came straight down. Oh. That's pretty cool. quite a sinkhole. Oh man, wasn't planning on getting this much exercise. That's quite a hole. We're going to continue on here. We're in kind of in the center of Douglas County at this point. Douglas County, Missouri. Map up here so you can see where we're at. Or you can Google Douglas County, Missouri, and we're kind of in the middle of it. Oh, they dumped a bunch. They had to rebuild this, it looks like. It must have washed away. Got some down going on here. Yeah, I can actually get some engine braking now. Throw it in low and it doesn't just run away with you. Holds back a little bit. Well, we're back down on a creek bottom. We got some old... The creek used to be over here, cut the bluff down. I bet that was a long time ago. It's 200 yards over here to the left now. Yep, that's probably back when hell was a campfire. All right, I know where I'm at now. I've been on this. We've looked at this old rock building before. Pretty cool old building. Somebody threw a roof on it, it burned out, they re-roofed it and made a hay barn out of it. Ooh! That's beautiful. All right, we'll run on down here. Look like we got sand. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty fresh. Because there's the road grader that's... This is wearing me out. Yeah, we get on the bridge here, we're out of it. Whew. I think I'm gonna take a break. Well, good place to fly the drone here, possibly. Oh, I better get in hill climb mode here or I'll be sputtering out. Here's a cool old log cabin at Camp Joy right here that they've moved from somewhere and kind of worked on it. Fixed it up a little bit. It's pretty cool. I got some pictures of it. We'll take a look at those. It says Friendship Missionary Baptist Church, but they've got it propped up on rocks. Originally that thing would have been, that lower beam you see running along the bottom would have set on a rubble rock foundation. It wouldn't just be sitting up on piles of rocks like that, but it's cool they saved it and tried to do something with it. That's kind of neat. I got some decent pictures of it, I think. All right, we're gonna head on down the road here. Posted, private property. Trespassers will be shot. Survivors will be shot again. I got my windshield where it doesn't rattle now on dirt roads and stuff. Got it strapped down with some more tie wraps. Got it quietened up quite nicely. That was bothering me. It was pretty rattly. Now I just hear all the crap in my side cases jumping around. Well, folks, we've made it back to civilization, made it to Sea Highway here. We didn't find a whole lot today, but found a big old sinkhole, a log cabin, got to fly the drone on the creek. That was pretty sweet. But I think the most important thing is we got to spend the day on the Triumph out in the woods. And that's what really counts right there in my book. I hope everybody's doing well and have gotten through the winter or about to get through the winter. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, spending a day on the Tiger in the Ozarks here in Douglas County, Missouri on March, I believe today's March 4th. I invite y'all to come back and see me. We're going to take some more trips, do some camping. We're going to go out west this year, spend some time out there. Until I catch up with you again, y'all take care of yourselves. We'll catch you next time.